In this video, I'll guide you through how to get Rocket League on Steam. If you'd like to launch Rocket League through your Steam library alongside the rest of your games, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. It's quick, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes to complete. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop shortcut or by finding it in your installed applications. Once Steam is open, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Sign In button to access the login page. When prompted, enter your account name and password carefully. Taking a few extra seconds to verify that your login details are correct can help you avoid unnecessary sign-in issues. Once everything looks good, click Sign In to access your Steam account. After the login process is complete, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage, where you can access your store, community, and library. Next, click on the Library tab near the top of the Steam window. This is where all of your Steam games are displayed, and it's also where you can add games that were installed outside of Steam. Once you're inside your library, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the Add a Game option. A small menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Add a non-Steam game. Steam will then open a new window that lets you browse for programs installed on your computer. If Rocket League doesn't appear in the list automatically, click the Browse button to manually locate it. Navigate through your computer until you find the folder where Rocket League is installed. If you're unsure of its location, check the folders where you typically install your games. Once you've located the Rocket League executable file, select it and continue. After selecting the correct executable, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now add Rocket League to your library, allowing it to appear alongside your other games. Although it's a non-Steam game, you'll be able to launch it directly from your Steam library for easier access and a more organized gaming experience. To make sure everything worked correctly, return to your library and look for Rocket League in your games list. Click on it, then select Play to launch the game through Steam. If it opens successfully, you've completed the setup. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added Rocket League to your Steam library, making it easier to keep your games organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get everything set up quickly and easily. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.